Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about its approved use Audi Q3 Sportback Black Edition TFSI S-tronic finished in the modern Ibis White paintwork. This 2022 model is a petrol plug-in hybrid that comes with a powerful 45 TFSI engine with 245 PS and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking LED headlights paired with dynamic rear indicators for great visibility, large 19-inch alloy wheels with Audi Sport badging on the alloys, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and Q3 badging, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 380-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. In regards to charging this vehicle, you can find the AC charging port on the driver's side of the car, supporting easy home charging. This Q3 e-tron on a 7kW fast home charger can fully charge the battery in just 4 hours, providing a range of up to 35 miles. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo, along with a SONOS premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders. The front houses a multifunctional flat-bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and embossed front part leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vehicle range dependent on charge levels, vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior and exterior lighting in addition to toggling the rain sensor. You can also view the range and charging information and patterns in addition to battery levels. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the dual zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a phone box with 2 USB-C charging ports, a gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.